Hi everyone, it's Joy here from LashJoy Academy. I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know the importance of why we need to cleanse our lashes daily. So you need to cleanse your lashes daily because one, it's going to make your extensions last as long as possible, which means it will last the life of your natural lash. And the other main reason is that we need to maintain the health of your natural lashes. So if we go back to the lashes lasting as long as possible, our eyelids are actually the oiliest part of our whole body. So if we pretend that my hand here is my eyelid and my fingers are actually the lashes, as the oil heats up throughout the day, that oil is going to slowly go down our natural lashes. And if we're not cleaning that off daily, that oil right at the base of our lashes is going to harden. And when your lash stylist goes and puts extensions on it, even though she might try and clean that layer of oil off, if it has hardened, she's not going to be able to clean it off effectively. So that oil there can create a barrier between the adhesive and the natural lash. So we want to avoid having any sort of barrier there, which means oil, moisturizer, any type of makeup as well. So if we go and move over to your Lash Health, most adults these days have lash mites. Having a few mites is perfectly normal. It's actually good because they help remove oil and dead skin cells. But if you're providing them with too much food, you're going to end up with too many lash mites, and they are going to burrow into the base of your natural lashes and make your follicles really, really weak. They'll damage the follicles. You'll end up with less and less natural lashes as time goes on, and usually it doesn't recover very well. So to look after your long-term lash health and avoid getting too many lash mites or other eye conditions such as infections or blepharitis, make sure you're cleansing your lashes daily. So clean at nighttime where possible, but if you have super oily skin, twice a day is ideal. Make sure that you're only ever using eyelash extension approved cleansers on your extensions. That way we're not accidentally harming the bond or softening the bond of our eyelash extensions adhesive.